If you're looking to explore snack ideas while indulging in more eco-friendly products for your skin and our planet, lifestyle expert Niki Anastasakis is here with some great advice. Good morning, Niki.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me. I want to get right to it and show you guys this new first-of-its-kind breakfast sandwich. This is available at 7-Eleven across Canada, and it includes a Violife cheddar-style slice, an impossible sausage made with plants, and just folded egg. Egg just folded, all on an English muffin. You guys, this is perfect for people who are vegan, flexitarians, exploring more meatless options, better for you options. And for me, it's all about the cheese. So the Violife plant-based cheese was perfect. It melts so beautifully. And it's really tasty. You can get this across 7-Eleven in Canada.
I love it. Now, Niki, a lot of us are crazy about chips. So what's a great guilt-free chip that you can recommend?
Yes, Chiwis. This is a guilt-free fruit chip. And they started with the original kiwi chip. It's made with 100% fruit. There are no preservatives, no added sugars, and the founders are Canadian. They actually came up with the idea because there was so much fruit going into landfills, and so they actually have saved around 26,000 pounds of fruit that was destined for landfills, and they've made some delicious chips. I'll show you here the orange one. It literally is taken from an orange, sliced just from it. They're so crunchy, so fresh. Not exactly like the dried fruit you see in grocery stores. They're a little more crunchy and have a tangy flavor, kind of like a Sour Patch Kit, but much more healthy.
Yum, it kind of sounds like both chips and candy at the same time. Niki, next up I spy a very delicious item on your table that's also great for our gut health.
Yeah, so kombucha is actually a fermented drink. It's made from kiwi products. And this one by GT's Kombucha, this is called SYNERGY Kobucha. They're available on their website, major grocery stores like Walmart and Loblaws, and it's made over a 30-day hand-curated process. There's 9 billion probiotics in this drink, and it really helps with things like your gut health, your overall immune system. So in the winter, when we're prone to getting sickness, it gives you a good protective layer and overall holistic healing. So if you get yourself some of these, drink them regularly, you should be protected and feel good overall about yourself.
Love it. I love the taste of them too. Niki, let's talk skincare. Can you give us a recommendation for a product that's both easy on our face and on the planet?
Yeah, I want to talk about Stoic Beauty. This is a water-safe skincare line, which means it's biodegradable and safe for our waterways. This product here I want to focus on is called Thalassa Deep Hydration Face and Scalp Serum, which is really good for the cold winter months when our skin is drying out. It's feeling a bit tingly and it cracks. You can put this on your face, on your scalp. This is a deep hydration face and scalp serum that helps with things like dandruff, water safe, as I mentioned. Means that it might have scaly skin, rough skin, skin that might be peeling or dandruff. You can put this right in your scalp, right on your skin, gives you nice moisture, locks it in. And the main ingredients are hyaluronic acid and clary extract. Again, you can purchase this on stoicbeauty.ca, and they have a variety of other water safe products as well that are natural and good for our planet.
And Niki, I'm sure they also have great benefits on our skin and our scalp, you know, perfect for those dry winter months. I want to say thank you so much for your time and for all the tips this morning.
Thank you for having me. Take care, guys.